Yes, people, welcome to a new tutorial in my channel. And in this tutorial, we're gonna fix some errors in Stumble Guys. So if you're facing some bugs or some errors, I'm gonna show you two ways to fix them. If one fix doesn't work, you can try the other fix. So first, we go look if there is any update available on Stumble Guys. You see it in my screen. It just updated, and if it's not, you can find it in your app store. So if we search for Stumble Guys, you can see there is it says open. I can open Stumble Guys now, and if it's need an update, there is update instead of open. Yes. So that's one thing. The second thing you can try is to delete Stumble Guys. So delete Stumble Guys and reinstall your app. How do you do this? You go to the icon, you tap the icon and you tap remove app. You delete the app and you delete it in total. What you do next? You go again, of course, to your app store. And you can reinstall Stumble Guys. And most of the times your bug or your error is fixed now, and you can play Stumble Guys in a normal way again. If this still doesn't work, what you can try to do, and it's the third fix, but if the two previous fixes didn't work, this fix will not work also. You can restart your telephone. But, well, I hope that helped you a little bit. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.